Hi, Michelle here from Strawberry, and today I'm going to unbox this Operation Christmas Child shoebox for a boy ages 10 to 14. And hopefully you will get some ideas and things that you can put in your Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes. When the boy opens up his box, this is what he's going to see. So on the cover, I've written Jesus loves you, and then he'll see all of these things. So first is his stuffy. It's like this little Christmas hedgehog. I don't know. I just thought he was so cute. And he even squeaks. Isn't that fun? Next, we have this cool looking spaceship airplane thing. It actually is a Buzz Lightyear, and inside there's a little pilot that can sit inside. So I think that's a lot of fun. There is a water bottle, and inside the water bottle we have a toothbrush. We have a blue Hot Wheels car. This box has a transportation thing, because here's another airplane. This is just like a pullback airplane. We have a skateboard. We have another pullback airplane and a comb and a little Rubik's Cube. Hopefully he will enjoy some of those little toys. There is a foldable flying disc. I love these things. So cool, so much fun. And to put them back in the packaging, you take them and they just kind of fold in on themselves. And then you can stick them back in the little bag that they come with. You have another little, I don't know, it's a Hot Wheels, but I think it's more like a motorcycle. Lots of different types of transportation. Spaceships, airplanes, cars, skateboards. This was a Valentine, and it has a bouncy ball that has an earth in it, and it says you are out of this world. So I thought that kind of went with the theme as well. Now we get to the helicopter. Here is his helicopter puzzle. So this is a wood puzzle, 3D puzzle, and there's 32 pieces. You get these from Harbor Freight. The problem with these is they are slightly wider than the standard shoebox. So you have to put them in at an angle and be very strategic when you're using one of these. But it is possible to fit them in the shoebox. He has a pencil pack, and inside his pencil pack are scissors, glue, pencil sharpener, eraser, pencils, and a pen. He has a pair of work gloves, or they could be to keep him warm, or whatever he wants to use them for. He has a bar of soap. I actually packed this quite a while ago. They are phasing out soap. You can still send it this year, but maybe not buy any more as they start to phase soap out. He has a little pop-it keychain. Just something small and fun. He has a birdie, or a shuttlecock, and I put with it the instructions to play the shuttlecock kicking game rules, and I got these instructions off of the Blessings in a Shoebox website, and I ended up just taking only 2 of the languages, so English and Spanish. Most of my boxes are usually sent to English-speaking countries or Spanish-speaking countries, so hopefully that's there. But the way you play is really like you would play hacky sack, and you just kind of bounce the birdie, I can't do it obviously, off of, your body parts. He has one of these little shooter disc, just something extra. It's small, it's little, just trying to put more fun things in there and toys. He has a t-shirt, and I think I got the t-shirt itself from Dollar Tree maybe, and it was plain, and so I added an airplane to it with my vinyl cutter. And I like to add things to the plain t-shirts to make them more fun looking, but I also try to come up with designs that are pretty simple and don't include words, because you never know what language they're going to speak when they get the shoebox. So he has that. He has a spiral notebook. I placed in here a doodle and draw that has airplanes on the cover, and inside you can learn how to draw things like cars and hot air balloons and submarines and an airplane and bicycle, just all kinds of transportation type things. So I think that goes along with the theme pretty well. He has a backpack, and this was a backpack, I believe, that I picked up at a convention for free. It will hold all of his stuff. That's great. I found these Valentines on clearance. I gave him 2, but you take the football and you can play a little football game with that. I thought that could be fun. He has a washcloth. He has a piece of, I don't know, that won't go. And he has just a little card from me. So for this one, I just took some paper and I added a helicopter sticker to it, and then I wrote my little note on the back side. And this is the shoebox that I packed with a transportation theme for a boy ages 10 to 14. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. And I'm going to try to put all of these back inside the box. And as I do that, you'll see how I have to tilt and strategically place it so that the puzzle will fit. So you might want to continue watching as I repack it. Thank you so much. Toodles! Flat themes go on the bottom, so put the washcloth down and the backpack. I'm gonna just put this next to the side. Did I have those like that? I think I did. Let's do the t-shirt. So at this point, I put kind of the cloth things in so they can kind of help pad. And I see what else I can kind of fit in there. And I think that's about right. So it needs to go down like that. And go there. And go in that hole.